you still remember ukuthi head and shoulders identify kanjani? See Shandis.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
We're looking for a cell, head and shoulder. Flip. We're gonna have something like this. And then this one is for pi. Okay, if you still remember, where are we gonna get the entry? On a cell, on a cell head and shoulder.
Both of them on the neckline.
On the neckline. On the neckline. And then our stop losses, it's me and you now.
And again, what it does,
You are breaking.
I don't know, these people are late or maybe they're busy.
It might be the network as well. I can't hear you well. You are breaking.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you were saying something.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh yeah. It's again, most of the time, you see on the head.
Yes.
Yeah, that one for itself. Most of the time, it would do a rally-based rally there on the way going down. Yeah, so you might get it. It's either on the neck or you might get it on the rally-based rally on the head when it's going down.
I need to add some.
That's what it does most of the time.
Okay, wait. Are you talking about the neckline?
No, I'm talking. Yeah, the neckline will be the first. Will be the second option also.
Okay.
So another option just there. You see where the cursor is?
Is
it may make what you call this rally based rally, a drop based drop. I mean,
yes.
And then when you look on your left, it will that will be a resistance that became that became a support.
Support. Okay.
Yeah, so you will draw your line, and then it will match up with the drop based drop. So you can also take your entry from there. So you can take two entries.
Okay, wait. The first entry.
Yes.
You can
on the other shoulder.
Check the first entry. You can get it from the resistance. Always here, we have a resistance. And then as the market is going down, you'll get a drop-based drop. That's where again where you're gonna get an entry, but you're not gonna buy immediately if you don't know what it is. But if you know how to trade in drop-based drop, you can take a trade. I'm not talking about you specifically. Anyone who's listening, because I'm also live on TikTok. So here, the price is a trigger because of the previous support. As soon as EVL appears, we're creating the right shoulder is going to turn on the drop-based drop. That's another opportunity for you to take.
Correct.
As the price is going down here, again, you're going to get a drop-based drop. But that's not always. But always next to E support and resistance. Actually, let me not even say always. At some point next to E support and resistance, where the breakout is, you'll most likely to get a drop-based drop or a rally-based rally. So here, you might get a rally-based, a drop-based drop as a market ear pants. Later, my boy, in market, izotheniswa ama-factors out too. Here, it's going to be the support that was broken. And then it's going to be the drop-based drop as well. The price is most likely to turn here. The price is most likely to turn here because of those who are trading a drop-based drop, they're going to step in. Those who are trading broken support and resistance, they're also going to step in. You're going to see a move like this one. Same applies to this one. But now the challenge that we have, I'm head and shoulder in the market. So let's go and hunt for one. When how often do you get the head and shoulder in the market? When you
well, to be honest with you, I really find one because I really find one because when you look at the factors, the head and shoulders, it's actually a reversal pattern. So when you're looking at 4 hours time frame, you will get it maybe once a week.
once a week. Just imagine once. Imagine if you are out there, you decide to say, no, I'm going to trade.
No, I'm saying maybe you will get it once a week because with me, maybe you'll get it once a week.
Of which is not good. That means you're going to get one opportunity. Let's just try and check, are we going to get E head and shoulder today here? But today I'm checking E deriv.
Yeah, that's true.
These days I'm in love with deriv. I don't know why. E is a head and shoulder. Can you see?
Hey, bro, I cannot trade that, bro. I hasn't quite decided.
That's sad. Because this is the plan. Here is head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder.
But can you see that scroll back for you to find it?
Exactly. That's the challenge. That is why I hate to trade head and shoulder. I'm just hating it because of it is part of a price action. Otherwise, I was not gonna recommend anyone to trade head and shoulder. That's not good. Because now we're tolerant in the market. So that's what I hate. That's what I hate about head and shoulder. But now check this one. The price going up. Sneakers left shoulder. Sneakers kanda. Sneakers right shoulder. Now, into so itata people neckline. If you check next to neckline here to last in a drop base drop. I'm not sure if we are born. We have a drop base drop. And then here by Chigi say my buyagu week. My buyagu week, that's where they turn the market around. Now again here we have it rally base rally. That caused the market to turn here and here. Check this one. The reason for the market to go up to test the resistance is based on the left-hand side. You know, it's simple we trade at that, just that each challenger corner E1. You're not gonna get it easily in the market. You're not gonna get it easily in the market, so it's not good to take this one. I don't want to lie. Let's try and go back and see if we'll be able to get another one. Almost even created. Oh, before it is advantage your trader head and shoulder out in. Remember, if you're gonna take a trade on the neckline, this is where our neckline is. This is where our neckline is. This is where we're gonna take a trade, right? Where are we supposed to place our stop losses? Above the right shoulder. Think of the risk. The risk is not good. So imagine against the price against you. Look at what happened for the first time. Ne? Remember, this is the right shoulder, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder. In the line, as soon as the price we are, you know that we have to sell. Look at what the market did. Instead of going down, it went up. So if your stop loss circle was very, very tight, you're going to be kicked out of the market. Look at the distance from here to here. That's the disadvantage. You tata I'm a head and shoulder. Let's go back and check if we're gonna get another one. Namanje ngisakhala ngikhalela bonke laba what is this thing? Is support and resistance ayisebenzi. Yo. They are missing out. Let me I can't hear you clear now. You're a bit far. Hi, Karabo, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good, but I'm not good.
What's
and
wrong?
How are you?
What is wrong?
Talwala.
In network, I'm not sharp, but I can hear you. Kangane, what did you say?
I'm sick. I'm not fine. I'm not
Oh,
100.
what's wrong? Or, Amara, let me just say you're gonna be fine.
Nah, I'm hoping.
Oh, hi.
Get pregnant, so
Please.
Hi guys, I keep on going back. I don't find one here. I don't find one. So
you see how really you find the head and shoulders?
come again.
I'm saying, do you see how really you find them?
It's more than rare, bro. It's more than rare. Even if you can change the pair and check a different one, let's go to volatility 10 index and check if we'll be able to get one. But I doubt. Remember, I said to you, some next to E broken support or resistance, you'll get it drop base drop. Here is a drop base drop. Now a broken support, it was broken here. We have a drop base drop. Here again, broken support, seen drop base drop. The price is in here. This makes it more strong for us to sell. Let's go back and check if we don't have another one here. We have a broken resistance. Rally base rally became a support this side. Look at how the market went up. Let's go back again. Here we have a broken support. We have the drop base drop, and then we have another one. The price it started the first one instead of going up. While we're still looking for a head and shoulder, we'll check what we have along the way. A head and shoulder is not a good strategy to use. Actually, not even a strategy pattern to use. Because now, if you're gonna take a head and shoulder, you're not gonna have a trade anytime soon. Let's go to a line chart. We almost had head and shoulder here. This is the left one. This is the head. This is the right one. Here is the neckline. Think of this. Sihambe distance and trying to scroll back to find a head and shoulder. Now, if you're gonna take this one, stop loss you cannot put it here, or else the big one is here. Imagine if a price is against you in this situation, how much are you gonna lose? This is what happened. Remember, we have E left shoulder, we have E head. Now, if price is we are good neckline, actually I got think that much neckline. So now, if price is to reverse ear pants, as is sugar here, they left something. I think if you're gonna come across a head and shoulder, this is how you have to approach it. Look for a possible entry somewhere above, and then you're gonna take another entry here. Now, lana angeke sisayiconsidera as a head and shoulder that much. The head and shoulders sayibona pattern kuneckline yethu sayibona, but then we have irresistant now. The price it's in several times here. What was created here is a rally base rally. The price went up. So I think I approach this way. we most likely entry sharp. If you get your first entry here, second entry yako izobala, and go with the price. And again, we have a trend line here. Kunamanye ama-patterns, lama-patterns wakabo ama-drop base drop, nama-rally base rally. They call them ama-descending triangles. I'm not sure if you were saying they are like, this is what I'm talking about. Let me not say they are like this one. Let me show you how to identify them, so that we are check which corner ukuluma ngawo now. So here the price is here pays, we can see. You're gonna get some flip. The price may suwa resistant. Yeah, kupuga. I'm sorry, my support. Here is our price going up. You're gonna see something like this. Most of the time, I'm a petting our currency. Well, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take an entry here and place your stop loss above, and then the price will go up. I'm a petting lower most of the time. My value in the market, it's 100% gonna work. It is 100% gonna work, but it is advantage here our totally easily. You don't get them easily. If kunzegile that you get one, after how long? If you look at this one, let me go to the line chart. Here is my line chart. Look at the pattern and then look at this one. Look at how the market moves from the pattern. So entry yako ubuzo ithatha lana, and then your stop loss gonna be below. The price is ohamba. I challenge ale pattern, you're not gonna get it easily. You're not gonna get it easily. Out of 10, ngayithola kayi-1. So akusiyo into ongathi uyayi-trader mase uso. Let's go back again. I think Uguti must be, I have to look for this so that you guys can be familiar. Not only in the market, you take advantage. Mostly what's next to the support and resistance. I'm a pattern amaning, guys. Atolagala next to the support and resistance. Low ozoktola in the middle. I'm a potential continuation patterns. My potential continuation patterns. Our C2 maning. But then, as much as I'm maning, hence I said, with whatever that I'm teaching you here, it is my experience in the market. I'm a rally for Israel, I'm a drop base drop maning more than other patterns. Maning, I'm a drop base drop. Pede angas to ngathola awungaki. So lento enginikeza yona into ezokwenza ukuthi usheshe ube profitable. Nokuthi ufunde i-strategy ongeke usithole in the market easily. And noma usitholile sekwenzela imali lapho nalapho sobuya nini. Bheka la. Rally base rally. Remember, rally base rally is trader kanjani. You take entry, it's either in the beginning of ilokuzana. In the beginning. As soon as the price yet ithinta rally base rally yet, you take an entry. Stop loss is gonna be always below. Now look at this. It penetrated yakhuphuka kancane. Yabuya again, ya penetrator, but still stop loss it's below. It does not hit the price here peso. And again, I'm gonna say this: not all of our rally base rally will work. Some of them will not work. You're gonna lose less, and then you're gonna win more. Mauchole right. Our rally base rally maning in the market. Let's go back and see if you're not gonna get another one. Is a drop base drop. The price is 10 here. How much were you gonna make? But this one did not work. Yeah, we also 10. So at some point, I'm a potential continuation pattern maning, but and not all of them are working. If the ES7s are totally easy. So now let's last is to check out more about patterns. We also have this pattern. They call it flex. I'm not sure which I'm a flag. If flag, it looks like this. Price is a mover like this. And then it could be a good direction. When the entry also it charges here. Even if we cholala, still you know which price are parts. But no coin this pattern.
I've seen it also.
Exactly. If you've seen this one before, you know Uguchi Axilula Uguchi Ucholagakulu in the market. If it happens Uguchi Ucholila, you must know which it will take you time to see it again. This pattern, it is also working. But then you cannot use this one as a trading strategy like a drop base drop rally base rally. This one in a Velaga one after a long time. This pattern, here is the pattern. You can see. On top, what do we have? We have a drop base drop. Now here is the pattern. The price my buya gule pattern ya chiga iban. But again, ibuya is a good drop base drop here. So I don't know Uguchi when we talk about our drop base. If you trade these patterns again, you need to check Uguchi which pattern is this one, né? And E behind which pattern. If you check, if you wanted to take this one as a trade, check which what do you have on the left hand side. You have a drop base drop. What do you have on the left hand side as well? You have a broken support that became a resistance. Now you're gonna trade this one, and then drop base drop. This one, I price my buya aksiga ning uzothola I price itena from this one. Ganj. This one is just tradable ukuthi uzothatha i-entry yakho here. There's no need ukuthi uyilinde ibuye again. Engiwatholile amaningi wakhona iyadlula. This one is just a potential continuation pattern that shows you what we are still going down. Because if I am sort of a small channel, I'm a channel niyawaza ngithi. Yes.
Pila.
Yebo.
Pila. Oh, is it the only class for today?
No.
Can you go per day off, please?
Day off. Okay.
No, no, Yana. I told you I'm not okay, so.
Okay, it's fine.
Can I?
Yes. Did you get the link to Telegram?
Yeah, I saw it, but I didn't have data, so could I check out? No.
Okay.
After that, then
it's fine. You're gonna get the videos go Telegram.
All right, thank you.
Over sharp.
Sharp. All right, thank you.
Sharp. Bye-bye. Okay, guys.
Hi. Not nice being mean.
Bye-bye. You will complain. Bye-bye. Bye. Guys, as I said, Uguchi, this pattern was only once. And it will be easy for you to take a trade while the market is going down here. You take your trade, then you're gonna be out. You don't wait for the price to come back to this point or level. Remember, I said you're gonna check Uguchi before this one was created. What happened above? You have a drop base drop. Check the market was supposed to turn almost accurate with this one. Instead, it went a little bit higher to what? To it drop, base drop, and then the market went down. So our patterns our potential continuation patterns akhona maningi ne, but not all of them also athola now and then. Lawa enginikeza wona ama patterns also mawungena ku chart, you're gonna get it. And kumele kube lula for you to identify the patterns. Must be easy for you to be able to get such patterns. Let's go back and see if we're gonna get them. I think one of which bakhona abawaziyo lama pattern, bakhona abangawazi. Let's see. So far, I have 2 people abawaziyo lama pattern, but then it's okay. Because of isikhathi angeke sibe enough, but today I have the whole day. For now, let us go back and check how can you use ama patterns lawa engiwamentionile izolo. Yesterday, I said ama patterns that we need to pay attention to them. It's supply and demand, support and resistance, rally pays rally and drop pays drop. And then you're gonna check in what is this thing? You're gonna check trend lines. Those are the things that you can get now and then in the market. Ubani ozongitshela ukuthi uke wathi ungena ku-market wangahlangani ne-trend line. If akhona here, let me know. Ukuthi wena you did not come across a trend line.
No.
It's you.
No one. It's just that these people come with different terms here.
The best thing that we guys can do, and I talk about these patterns the most because of I know that they are profitable. What do we have here? I've had so many traders out there saying, hey, support and resistance, they are not working. The thing is, if you don't know how to use a thing, don't come and tell people that it is not working. Imagine umuntu azofike azokutshela ukuthi wait, let's check. I'm looking for a support and resistance here if we're gonna get one. Here, sine supply and demand. Uzumuntu it's not working, it's not working. Okay, it's all good. That's how you feel, right? Now look at this. You know that a supply and demand is always in the beginning of a new trend, right? Good. In the beginning of a new trend, you're gonna get demand. After demand, the price is ikhuphukile ngithi yabuya futhi again here yasinikeza ini support. It gave us a new support here. It gave us a new support, and then the price returned to the support again. It went back to the resistance. Now, what happened after? The price is near a fake out. Those who think who don't know how to use a fake out, they're gonna take AMA losses here. I always say, more trader, you need to get AMA first time, AMA second time. You don't have to go to it third time, the fourth time. If you manage to get this one and this one, don't come back. Look at what happened here. The price it's until for the first time, it came back. Now it's niggas a fake out. But ning about experience this thing. Imagine you're gonna take a trade here, knowing that this one is very fresh, knowing that the market's gonna go up, and then you place your stop loss below, very nice and simple. And then you price the future stop loss, the next thing you price it according to your direction. It's not because of you don't know how to trade. You didn't check what you have previously while the market was going up. Now look at this. It's a sign of a breakout. This is a sign of a breakout. If you're gonna see this one, you will know that the market will turn as soon as Ibuya. And it man just needs a breakout. This support is validated. The price here to Ibuya is a good demand, and then it went up. As it was going up again, this is 1 hour time frame. They gave us a demand again. The price here to Ibuya with demand. Here's a peso. Now, if you look at this again, those who are out there preaching support and resistance, they are not working, they are not working. They keep on misleading people. Now, price is where support, is where la resistant, go resistant, go support. This one went back to E support, but roughly somewhere here, if we go to smaller time frame, you'll get a demand, a supply here. But nevertheless, the price will again. Yeah, shy fake out. It went to E demand. Now the price it will back to E resistant. This is where you're supposed to sell, right? Good. Now the price it drop. As it was going down, it gave us a drop-based drop. Went up again. As it was going down, what do we have here? We have a trend line now. It's another opportunity for you to sell. You sell. Now the price is dropping. The reason for the market to turn here is not because of the support. It's because of the demand that we have here. The price went up. It came back to what? To its demand is now apart. Now look at how the market went up from its demand. Then there are people out there who are gonna preach, hey, this thing is not working. You don't have to pay attention to this thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's fine. Don't pay attention. It's all good. Check most of the things also good tradings, the controller is supply and demand. I'm sorry, is support and resistance. As soon as you learn how to use the support and resistance, you will see which opportunities also are taller in the market. Now, petting atolagala as soon as the price is so support or resistant. Now a price here drop is so resistant here pants. You're gonna get a pattern somewhere here. A two-bag price, you're gonna get a pattern. You're gonna get a pattern to do what? To take a trade. I'm not sure if we're still together, guys.
No, we're still together.
Mina, I'll always put this ninja logo. I'm a pattern enzo troller hours of 7 in the market. I'm not saying they are 100%, but they are working. Yeah, again. Remember, rally-based rally, it falls under a potential continuation pattern. Drop-based drop, it falls under a potential continuation pattern. A drop-based drop, they're going to give you a lot of money in the market. Scenic Bonilla logo several times. So let's check again. Supply and demand. We left it 4 minutes. I'm going to create another class. Okay, give me a few minutes. I want to check someone is knocking. Here we have these few patterns. Check them. Okay. How many of you Abatole? Actually, now can I ask this one? Let me check. So 5 here. Which pattern is good for you? Which pattern did you master between these 4 patterns?
Well, on my side, support and resistance and rally-based rally and floor-based drop, they actually work.
Come again?
Way better together for me. Support and resistance and rally-based rally and drop-based drop. So only those two for me, they work perfectly.
Support and resistance.
And then
supply and demand.
And rally-based rally. No. Supply and demand, most of the time, I'm not looking at it. So it's support and resistance and rally-based rally or drop-based drop. Okay. And then when I add a trend line, it confirms my trade. It
confirms for you to sell or to buy. Okay, I get it.
Yeah, it gives me motivation. I can go all out there.
It's all good. Okay, someone else? Because I know it's not me and you here. PK, I know you are here.
Sure, Pillar.
So far, which pattern are you comfortable with here, or which pattern?
So yeah,
Come again.
Actually all of them, but trend lines sometimes don't work. Like Ngaring sometimes do like a fake out on a trend line, you see. Then you would like never expect it. But like after drawing a trend line on the third touch, once it touches, I tend to like jump into the market because knowing the third touch is selling or buying. But then it turns out to make some sort of a fake out, then goes to my direction and kicks me out.
Okay, there's something that you need to check. Let me show you. Let us get a trend line. Whenever you're gonna buy good trend line, always check what do you have above. That is why we are making a lot of mistakes. We don't look at the left hand side. Look at these. Hopefully you can see. But I wouldn't buy this one because of it is very.
But I actually wanted to explain that one.
Come again.
I actually wanted to explain that one.
Okay.
When he talks about the fake outs on the trend line.
Okay. Because of the time, it's not gonna be enough.
Can I?
Yes, the time's not gonna be enough. Let me create another lesson so that we can continue. You'll be able to explain.
Okay, cool.
Sure.